Cropping an image. The crop tool removes the part of an image surrounding the selection. When you crop an image, by default, the resolution remains the same as the original image. Follow these steps to crop an image. Step 1. Select the crop tool. Step 2. To select a crop ratio other than that of the original photo, select one of the following options from the drop-down list on the left of the Tool Options panel or specify new custom values in the width and height fields in the options bar. Ratio. Display the original aspect ratio of the photo when you crop. WXHX resolution. The width and height fields show the value that are used for the cropped image. The resolution field allows you to change the image resolution. Step 3. Drag over the part of the image you want to keep. When you release the mouse button, the crop marquee appears as a bounding box with handles at the corners and sides. Step 4. Adjust the crop marquee by doing any of the following. To change the aspect ratio, choose values from the drop-down list on the left in the Tool Options panel. To move the marquee to another position, place the pointer inside the bounding box and click drag, or use the arrow keys to move the marquee. To resize the marquee, drag a handle. When you choose no restriction from the drop-down list, you can constrain the proportions while scaling by holding down V Shift key as you drag a corner handle. To swap width and height values, click the swap icon in the options bar. To rotate the marquee, position the pointer outside the bounding box, the pointer turns into a curved arrow, and drag. You can't rotate the crop marquee for an image in bitmap mode. Step 5. Double-click the bounding box to finish the cropping. To cancel the cropping operation, press Escape key.